Today I want to talk about OSPF neighbor states. There are 8 neighbor states that I want to talk about. And number 1 is down. When a neighbor is in a down state, no hellos are received yet. So neighbor is down. Number 2 is attempt. This is only valid. This is only a state that is valid on non-broadcast, multi-access, and point-to-multipoint non-broadcast networks. In this state, the neighbor is sending hellos. Trying to communicate with the other neighbor. Number 3 is Init. A hello has been received, but it doesn't have the receiving router ID in it. And number 4 is two-way. Bidirectional communication has been established between the neighbors. This is a valid state for brother neighbors. So if the 2 routers are not going to be, if you have 2 routers, when you have 2 routers and both routers, neither of them is going to be a router, then they're going to be only in two-way states. And number 5 is Exstart. This state, the purpose of this state is to establish the master-slave relationship between the routers. And this is in this state, the routers decide whether they will become fully adjacent between each other. And number 6 is exchange. In this state, the SLAs are being exchanged between the routers. And when the SLAs have been exchanged, the router is in a loading state, or is kept in loading state while it is downloading the SLAs. And lastly is full. Of course, when the routers are in fully states, meaning that adjacency is fully formed between the neighbors. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna talk about more things about OSPF in the future.